Welcome to our Java Swing project, a simple student registration system. In this program, user can type in their name and age, pick courses, and services using checkboxes. It also lets user compute the total fee with one click and clear the data to start rush. The system has three main features. Number one is real-time display of selected items. Number two is like a compute button to get the total cost. Number three is a clear all button to reset everything. Now, to better understand how each part works, let's go through the components and functionality one by one. Let's begin.
In NJ panel. The program starts with a JFrame, which is the main window of the application. Inside it is a JPanel called Content Pane, which hold all the components like labels, buttons, and checkboxes. We use set bounds to play each item exactly where we want it.
The compute button is the second functionality of the program. When you click it, the program first checks if the name and age are filled in correctly. If not, it shows a message asking you to complete them. If the inputs are correct, the program looks at all the checked courses and services, added their price, and gets the total fee. This total is shown in a message box, so the upper user can see it right away. After showing the total, the program saves the data in the log table below. It keeps a record of the student name, age, and total fee. These features help the user check their selection, see the final price, and save everything with just one click.
There are two checkboxes. The first one is courses, which has math, communication, and computer programming. And the other checkbox is services that has transportation, dorm, and cafeteria food. When you check any of these, they are immediately added to the tables labeled selected services or selected courses. And if you uncheck them, they are instantly removed. This part of the code is the first functionality of our program, which is the real-time display. The program listens for each changes using an item listener for each checkbox. As soon as you click one, the code checks if it is selected or unselected, and then adds or removes a row from the correct table using the default table mode.
The Clear All button is the third functionality of our program. When you click it, the program clears the name and age fields, unchecks all the checkboxes, and removes all the data from the tables. This lets the user start fresh without closing the program. To uncheck the checkboxes, the program uses a loop that goes through each one inside the panel and sets it to unchecked. It also clears the selected courses, selected services, and log table by resetting their data. This feature is helpful when you want to enter a new information or fix mistakes quickly.
The JLabel class in the Java Swing is a graphical user interface (GUI) component used to display a short text string or image. It is commonly used to provide descriptive labels for other components, such as input fields, and does not accept user input. A JLabel can be aligned horizontally or vertically and and can include an icon alongside the text. It improves the clarity and usability of the user's interface by guiding the user on what information is required. JText field. The JText field class is a Swing component that allows the user to enter a single line of text input. It is one of the most commonly used input components in Java GUI applications. Developers can define its width in terms of the number of columns and interact with the field programmatically using methods like .getText to read input and .setText to set or reset the content.
We use a JTable to show a selected course, selected service, and transaction logs. Each table is a place inside a JScroll pane, so the user can scroll if there are many items. Table gives a clear view of what the user picked.
To control what shows in the tables, we use default table model. It lets us add or remove rows easily when checkboxes are clicked or when the clear all button is used. It keeps the data updated with user actions.
Before computing, the program checks if the name has only letters and space, and if the H has only numbers. If the input is wrong or empty, it shows an error using JOption pane. This is stop the program from crashing and guide the user to fix the input.
And for our conclusion, this student registration system shows how Java Swing can be used to make a simple and easy to use program. With real-time updates, a compute button to get the total fee, and a clear all button to reset everything, the program gives a smooth and helpful experience for users. Each part works together to make input selection and payment fast and clear. And that is all for our presentation.